Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, April 10th, and it's going to be another warm day out there, but we could see some strong to severe storms later on today, and we'll see high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, maybe on into the upper 60s to low 70s as you get towards Muskegon and Owego over in that area. But again, for much of the area, though, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Would not be surprised to see somebody hit an 80-degree here this afternoon, especially if we see a little bit more in the way of sunshine. You can see the extended outlook continues to be near to above normal temperatures and quite wet and active as we continue our very stormy pattern. And again, we could see those severe storms. Looks like the best chance would be from around 3 o'clock to about 9 or 10 o'clock, from northwest to southeast, about a 3-hour window as that front approaches your area. And you can see our normals for the day. Our normal high is 53, the normal low is 31. You can see we certainly can get some snow at this time of year. 7 inches of snow fell back in 1973. As to the highest and warmest temperatures across the lower 48 on Sunday, 105 degrees at Rio Grande Village in Texas, and the low 3 above zero at Stanley, Idaho. If we look at conditions around the MAC area yesterday, temperatures in the low to mid 70s, cool spot 3 Celsius at St. Thomas, and the warm spot 75 degrees at Breckenridge. And you can see for the month we're now at a plus 1.3 per day above normal. So pretty warm month as we got off to a cool start, but we're making up for it now. And you can see temperatures out there this morning more like July and August low temperatures, with temperatures in the low 60s across the area. So very balmy morning out there. And we've got storms again that will be moving in for later on this afternoon. If we take a look at the wind flow, you can see why we're getting all that warmth. The low pressure system across northwest Wisconsin, and out ahead of it, that strong southerly flow, and you can see where the cold air starts to try to come in, and that's what's going to touch off a lot of strong to severe thunderstorms all across the Great Lakes. You can see on the satellite view this morning the strong cold tops here indicated by the very whiteness. The nature indicates some pretty good thunderstorms. And on radar, you can see those thunderstorms moving across Wisconsin, all out of southeast Iowa. And again, these storms here, they're going to weaken as they come into the state this morning. We're going to wait for our strong storms to redevelop during the heating of the afternoon. If we look at the weather map this morning, you can see the main low across Wisconsin. That's going to move off to the east, and it does. It's going to pull this cold front through by late this afternoon, but more likely this evening. And again, out ahead of that, look for strong to severe storms to develop in Wisconsin and Illinois and move into Michigan here later on this afternoon. If we look at the precipitation over the next 7 days, you can see this isn't the only system. We're going to have another one late in the week, and again, that could bring some more significant rains altogether for the next 7 days. Many areas picking up over an inch of rain. You get up into the UP, and you can see some areas picking up over 2 inches of rainfall. As far as a severe weather threat for today, you can see right across the heart of mid-Michigan is a slight risk of severe storms, a marginal risk that surrounds that for all the lower peninsula. So again, keep an eye to the sky. I would not be surprised to see a severe thunderstorm watch issued for parts of lower Michigan here later on this afternoon. Again, the best time will be from mid-afternoon into the mid-evening hours across much of the area. If we look at Weather Watch this morning, you can see still some winter weather advisories across portions of northwest Wisconsin and across Minnesota and back into the western South Dakota area, where there are winter weather advisories, even a winter storm warning as you get out in that area as well. A little bit of fire danger across portions of the Tennessee and Ohio Valley. But again, our biggest threat is going to be afternoon severe storms developing across much of the MAC area. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.